Hi all, welcome to IT Learn More. Let me take you through the business analyst job profile here in this short session. Contents covered in this session will include who a business analyst is, what are the roles played by a business analyst, responsibilities taken up by a BA, tasks taken up on daily basis, career as a business analyst, and the job outlook. Who is a business analyst? We can define a business analyst as one who analyzes the existing or ideal organization and design of systems. It includes businesses, departments, and organizations. He also assesses business models and their integration with the technology. Business analysis is a research discipline of identifying business needs and determining solutions to business problems. A business analyst plays a variety of roles. Few key roles include business planner. He is also called as business continuity planner. He plans for risks and help mitigate risks. System analyst. System analyst does research on problems, plans solutions, recommends softwares and systems. He coordinates development to meet business and other requirements. Project manager. Project manager manages the entire project. It's right from planning, executing till closing of the project. Subject area expert understands business process or area. He is ever ready to answer questions, related questions to people. Organization analyst. He is the one who looks at the structure and design of the organization and how this influences the output. Financial analyst performs financial analysis for external or internal clients. Technology architect works as a part of team to deliver innovative, cost-effective and efficient IT solutions. Data analyst analyzes data like processing, inspecting, cleaning, transforming and modeling data. Application analyst supports a given application or set of applications. Application designer designs, builds, tests and delivers mainframe applications for the company's end users and customers. A process analyst solves business-related problems. He designs one information system used by businesses to achieve goals. Key responsibilities taken up by a business analyst include defining and evaluating the scope of business areas, eliciting the requirements, analyzing the requirements, documenting the requirements, communicating the requirements to the related team, working with business area experts to recommend a solution, and then verifying if the solution is meeting the requirements. It finally breaks down communication barriers between stakeholders and developers. Tasks taken up by a business analyst include assisting with a business case, planning and monitoring, eliciting, capturing and documenting requirements along with organizing requirements, translating and simplifying requirements. He manages and communicates requirements, he analyzes requirements and ensures proper delivery of the requirements. Business analyst as a career. One with bachelor's degree in computer science or a technical background like having worked as a programmer or engineer can take up the career. If an individual has additional courses in business law, financial accounting, taxation, risk management, it's an added advantage to the field. Core skills required by a business analyst generally include excellent written and verbal communication skills, technical writing skills, understanding the concepts of system engineering, ability to conduct cost or benefit analysis, business case development, and various modeling techniques and the methods. Job outlook for BA is, according to Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of management analysis is expected to rise to 22%. from 2010 to 2020. So there's a huge growth and an excellent outlook for a business analyst. But as people from diverse educational and career backgrounds can qualify, the pool of applicants is large. So to be a successful business analyst, one needs to have commitment towards the career and proper planning. So to know more about the business analyst profile and other IT job profiles, you can log into IT Learn More. It's the most trusted website for all learning needs by students, graduates, and working professionals. You can always catch us on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.